Today we are doing the CS301 Data Structures Midterm Preparation Quiz, covering the 30 most important MCQs. Let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Which data structure works on the LIFO, last in first out principle? The correct answer is stack. Moving on to the next question. What is the time complexity to insert a node at the beginning of a singly linked list? The correct answer is big O of 1. Now for the third question. In an AVL tree, what is the maximum allowed balance factor for any node to remain balanced? The correct answer is 1. The allowed balance factors are -1, 0, or 1. Heading to question number 4. Which tree traversal technique visits the root node at the very end? The correct answer is post-order. Next up is question number 5. A queue data structure operates on which of the following principles? The correct answer is FIFO, first in first out. Let's check out the sixth question. Which operator is used to dynamically allocate memory in C++ during runtime? The correct answer is new. Moving forward to question number 7. In a binary search tree, the left child node is always blank than the parent node. The correct answer is smaller. Now for question number 8. What condition occurs when we try to push an element into a completely full stack? The correct answer is stack overflow. Let's move to the 9th question. Which nonlinear data structure is inherently used by the operating system to implement recursion? The correct answer is stack. Here is question number 10. In a circular queue implementation, if rear plus 1 modulo size equals front, it means the queue is blank. The correct answer is full. Moving on to question 11. What is the maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of depth or height h? The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of h plus 1 minus 1. Now for question 12. Which operator is used to free the dynamically allocated memory in C++? The correct answer is delete. Let's look at the 13th question. In a singly linked list, the next pointer of the last node points to blank. The correct answer is null, heading over to question 14. A data structure in which insertion and deletion can be done from both ends is called blank. The correct answer is DEC, or double-ended queue. Next is question 15. In order traversal of a binary search tree always produces output in blank. The correct answer is ascending or sorted order. Let's move to question 16. In C++, array indexing always starts from blank. The correct answer is 0. Now for question 17. What is the time complexity of searching an element in a balanced binary search tree? The correct answer is big O of log, and moving to the 18th question. How many pointer fields are there in a node of a doubly linked list? The correct answer is 2, which are previous and next. Here is question 19. Attempting to remove an item from an empty stack causes an error known as blank. The correct answer is stack underflow. Next up is question 20. What is the postfix expression for the infix expression a plus b multiply c? The correct answer is a bc multiply plus. Let's look at question 21. Which data structure is used in breadth-first search graph traversal? The correct answer is Q. Moving to question 22. Which data structure is used in depth-first search graph traversal? The correct answer is stack. Now for question 23. In C++, to pass a parameter by reference to a function, we use the blank operator. The correct answer is the ampersand operator. Heading to question 24. What is the maximum number of children that a node in a binary tree can have? The correct answer is 2. Next is question 25. A node with no children in a tree data structure is called a blank. The correct answer is leaf node. Let's check out question 26. Once an array is declared with a specific size, its size blank. The correct answer is cannot be changed, meaning it is static. Moving forward to question 27. Every AVL tree is a blank, but every blank is not an AVL tree. The correct answer is binary search tree, binary search tree. Now for question 28. Finding an element in an unsorted array of size n using linear search takes blank time. The correct answer is big O of n. Let's look at question 29. In a circular linked list, the last node points to the blank. The correct answer is first node. Finally, question 30. The process of calling a function within itself is called blank. The correct answer is recursion. That is all for this quiz. Thanks for watching VU Gate. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.